Right, so were you involved in an accident or airbags deploy? If that's the case, and this is what your car is doing, it's probably because of a safety feature that BM came up with that would kind of disconnect the positive battery from the junction box or the main fuse box uh, for safety reasons. So the way to take care of that would be, most of you already know, um, the battery is usually located right here. What happens is this device right here, when the airbags deploy, it would kind of like pop this cable and disconnect it from the rest of the battery. So it's more sort of like an explosive that would just pop the terminal out of the main battery terminal. So keep this way.